been a minute. It's been actually 2 weeks. I took a break last week because I wasn't inspired. I needed to take a creative break. I thought it would be fun to just bring you along with me. Today we're going to run errands. We're going first to look for a sofa. We're trying to renovate our living room slowly but surely, so we're going just to like window shop for sofas. I don't have a vision yet. I think I should check on Pinterest. Would love to go check for headphones as well because I have AirPods and it's fun to start with, but when I'm in the gym they always fall off. I wanted to wear this sweater that I have on, but it's getting sunnier and sunnier by the minute, so I'm not sure anymore. I went to the thrift store last week and I got this beautiful sweater from Tommy Hilfiger. I need to show you. It's a sweater vest. So cute. It looks like this. I got it in the men's section because of course they always have cute things in the men's section. And just guess how much? Oh wait. $8. Yes, I think I'm gonna wear this because the way it's literally so sunny out, I feel like it's a waste to wear this with a sweater. Like, I don't know. I changed. I hate my hair. My hair is so old. I need to do it. I need to redo it, but I have to wait for my graduation. But I can't. And I didn't do my eyebrows. I need to go get them done, but I want to wait as well because I don't want to get them done too much and then my hair doesn't grow out, you know, it doesn't grow back. And my lashes, they're in rehab. Everything's in rehab right now. My face is reformatting, okay? I changed outfit again. I'm wearing this now. This sweater from H&M. From H&M, off to a running errands kind of day. So let's go. So we're gonna go for lunch first, late lunch, because it's literally 2 p.m. But my mother will never get out before 12. So we're looking for sofas. Let's see what we find. We're at Léon right now. It was not successful, but now we have, you know, planted the seed. Okay, so now we're at Walmart and I want to try the headphones from Sony. I hope they have it here. And then we're gonna go to Meubles RD. Neither of the stores have anything that's cute. I feel like they need to rebrand. I need to see something new. I feel like it's all so old. I like this sofa. What do you think of this one? You like this one? Okay, don't answer, I guess. Hey, hello, hi. It's been a little while. I was busy working on my biz, working on my project. So now, you know, we went to stores, we shopped a little, and now we're kind of finding what we like, what we would like to do for our space, to our space. And I'm gonna show you, because why the hell not, right? So, general mood board looks like this. I hope you can see like everything. So we're keeping like the neutral colors. We want a light sofa, and then like a built-in like module if possible, and then big curtains and kind of a black beige kind of mood. Let me show it to you without my face. It'll make more sense. So for the fake built-in module, instead of like buying a whole big ass thing, we have a big furniture for the living room. So unnecessary. It's been here with my parents since before I was born. So, you know, we need to change that. So I was thinking we could put 3 shelves on each side and like recreate this little vibe, and paint them the color of the wall that I'll show you later on. And so it will look as if it was like built in and that it was just like protruding from the wall. So that's the idea. And then I put some ideas here. We could get shelves from MKeita, $30 each. So a total of like around $120, $180, depending on how many we want to buy. And then for the sofa, we had 2 choices that we liked. So the first one, you know, I want to give this vibe, a bright sofa with brown or black accents. So the first choice is this one. It's a little paler than this, right? It's a little paler than this, but in real life it's very, very cute. Well, I liked it a lot. I think I showed you guys. And then we have this one, but with this color, and it has like black stitching. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, black stitching. So it, you know, it was different. We kind of liked it a lot. And then for curtains, I just put like an image of how wide it should look with the window, because we have like wide windows. So really want to elongate the walls because our living room is not that big. And then I have found different curtains from IKEA and a curtain rod. And then lastly, I forgot to add it to the PDF, but for the paint, it's gonna be the same paint as from our kitchen because it's like continuous. And so it's Dove Wing. So the silvery undertones bring a luminous quality to this white. I love this white. I love it. It brightens up everything. So I'm just gonna paint everything. And so with that being said, be ready for reno vlogs because I'm back with it. I hope I can share with you the evolution of how our living room will look like. But yeah, I'm excited. Hi. Is it in a different setting? Yes, it is, because we are in my office. It's such like a dark, gloomy day out. Like this summer has been so weird in Canada. Whew. Anyways, so I just wanted to show you what I usually do. I work in my office and it's quite like relaxed. Right now my office looks awful. I wanted to sell like clothes on Depop. It's still on my table. Yeah, I might hang them. But oh, okay, let me continue to work. I'm done with work. I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done, and my sister's here from New York. So we're gonna go to the mall and just walk around, I guess, and window shop. So let's go. Guys, like, I don't even know what to say. Like, I wanted to vlog my end of day, but I went to do my eyebrows. To me, they look god-awful. Like, the arch is not even the same. Like, she took so much. I had such a bad feeling today. I should have listened to myself, but she did my brows and I hate them. So I didn't vlog, and I was having a bad day, guys. I had a bad day. It's here we run now. I need to shout out one of my followers, well, one of my subscribers actually, that just subscribed to my channel and just found me. She sent me a message and it's like the cutest thing ever. I love receiving messages like this. Like, I don't receive a lot of them, but when I do, it changes everything. It changes my mood. It changes, like, everything is so sweet. And she reached out to me on Instagram, not on YouTube. She found my YouTube, she subscribed, and she followed me on Instagram too. And she sent me a message like you know, and like a normal person would. And she just sent me like the cutest message. Read it. So she said, "Hey there, I hope you're doing good. I just stumbled across your Portugal vlog on YouTube, and I wanted to tell you how much I love your content. You have such a great energy and the video really put me in a good mood. Thank you for that, and I'm really excited for what's to come." Let me close the door. This is so sweet. This is so nice. I'm so grateful for people like that, because sometimes, as I was saying at the beginning of my vlog, I kind of was in a creative rut. I was kind of I needed a creative break, and I didn't know what to vlog, what to post, if it was even relevant. And when I saw this message, everything made sense and I love it. Anyways, thank you. If you're watching this, Charlotte, thank you so much. And I hope you're still watching. Hey girl, hey. Thank you to everybody who's watching, honestly. I wouldn't be here. Honestly, I thought I would stop at like 300 subscribers and just call it an experience. But I actually love filming YouTube videos and I love creating content. And yeah, so yeah, that was the little win of the day. And if you want to do something in life, just do it. Don't care about nobody else. Just do it. Or whatever Nike said, right? So if you know, we eat very late. Like, in our family, we don't eat before 8. It's honestly before 9. But let me show you what my mother cooked today, okay? So first off, we have a little salad, you know, with mangoes, little salt and sugar, you know. Lamb, like the best lamb in the world, like the best lamb ever. And then with going, you know, this is salty, and then this is a little sweet plantain. The only way to do it, okay? The only way to do it. We take the yellow plantain, the yellow bananas, okay? Delicious. And then you mix it all together, and you have the perfect supper. Anyway, so I'm gonna eat, and that's it. I'm gonna eat. Bon appetit. Okay, I usually don't even do this late, but I mean, it's just a quick little trip. So you're gonna pack your bags with me. I just finished work. Yeah, so I need to pack for New York, because I didn't tell you, I'm going to New York with my sister. We're gonna drive there with her new car, and then I'll take a flight back home. Honestly, I do not know what I'll be wearing. 30 and 29 degrees Celsius. That's crazy. On Monday, it's gonna rain a little, well, a lot actually. Usually don't put my suitcase on my bed. I have to wash my bedding anyway, so I'm just gonna put it over my bed. Don't judge me, guys. So this suitcase is coming with me. It's not the one that I want to bring. Yay! Yeah, I'm gonna bring my satin dress from Aritzia, because I love this dress so much. My 2 Skims dress, because why the hell not? White skirt and a pair of shorts. Workout fits, because what if I work out? We never know. Bringing my open back top. This white top, because when in doubt, white it out. No. Don't white it out. This little toppy top. Should I bring a bathing suit? So it's not that bad. I brought 2 shoes. I'm gonna wear slides for the drive, and then a couple of summery outfits. And I'll bring my laptop, my personal laptop, my work laptop, my iPad, and my camera, of course. So anyways, I'm so happy. We're gonna drive early tomorrow morning, so I might go and get myself some gurus or something because I feel like I'm not gonna be able to stay awake. But other than that, thank you for hanging out with me during this random vlog. And I'll see you guys in New York. Bye. Bye bye.